welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications, and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comments below. And for my OGs on my channel, welcome back, babe. I have another video. It's going to be an updated wig application video on how I, slayed this wig, added the little baby hairs using one of my favorite products, which is the Wig Dealer Melting Spray. That just changed the whole game with adding my wigs. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step, very detailed. I hope is very detailed and you guys understand how I apply these wigs. So if you are interested in watching me apply my wig, then stay tuned. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Alright, y'all, I try to make this detailed, so I made steps for this. So obviously I love using the ball cap method. I use Got To Be blast free spray and a regular cap. You can use scissors or a eyebrow razor, as you can see. And yeah, so definitely mold that down. I actually use the melting spray in the beginning to melt down this cap. Step 2, use foundation or tinting spray and make sure that bald cap looks like a bald cap. Like, the more seamless it looks on your skin, the better. I also use the tinting spray on my wig as well. You can also do that with foundation. Step 3, we are going to apply this wig, tighten it up, use the straps, the adjusted straps if you need, and then measure out how you want your wig. So take your time with this step as well. Once you got it down packed, cut upwards near the ear area, as you can see right here, and then try to cut, keep going up as much as you can until you reach the lace, and then turn your scissors to where you can cut all the lace off, because the rest of those tracks are going to be behind your ear anyways. So as you can see, this is how much lace I cut off. So see how bomb it looks when you cut upwards. It looks like you got sideburns. It looks very natural. So I'm going to show you again. You're cutting upwards until you hit that lace, or not hit the lace, but hit the tracks in the wig. And then turn your scissors and cut downwards to cut all the lace off and tuck that behind your ear. I hope that makes sense. So y'all, get any mist that makes your hair a little shiny and add that to your hot comb. I'm using the Kendra Boutique's hot comb at the hottest setting, which is 500 degrees. This hot comb changed the game, y'all. Like, it lays my wig so flat, like so flat. I got a smooth back, like, for real. No, but anyways, let's get some glue, y'all. But first, I'm putting some foundation over the cap because I feel like it wasn't as seamless as I wanted to get it. So I'm using the Eben glue. You can use any glue you like. I feel like it doesn't really matter what glue you have. It's that Wig Dealer product that's really gonna melt your lace. This is just gonna have your lace hold on throughout the days. So what I like to do is dot it up. I like to do the whole perimeter of my head. I don't like working in sections because your girl is Aries and she is not patient. She's not patient at all. So I did do 3 layers because your girl's trying to have it stuck to her head for weeks, even though it only lasts like a week. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I did 3 layers. Make sure each of those layers dry before applying the next. Step 7, we're just going to apply this wig. Don't worry if it's not sticking all the way. We're going to fix that, okay? Don't threat, sis. We're gonna fix that. Make sure you take your time lining up your wig. Get a comb and try to lay your wig against the glue. And then I found out that, you know, the glue wasn't holding on the side of my head. So I had to go back in with some more glue, add my little popsicle stick, and make sure that dries before I even lay the lace back down. So that kind of brought me back. In total, this hairstyle took me like 4 hours to apply because I was taking my time, you guys. Because when you take your time with anything you do, it comes out perfecto. Anyways, get the elastic band, y'all. Y'all need these elastic bands because these really help melt your wig. So what we're gonna do is style this hair while it's melting. I like to use this wax stick. This stuff, the She Is Bomb, I think she is black owned too. Y'all, this stuff is the GOAT. You can basically use as much or as little as you like. It helps with the flyaways. It helps your wigs lay flat. It helps you look like you just got out of the salon, sis. I actually use this all throughout my frontal. I part it, hot comb it down, each part. That makes sense. I don't know, but y'all saw what I did right there. So look at how bomb the unit looks. I like to go in with a fresh eyebrow razor. I bought like a pack of 50 and I use a new one each time, even though that's not eco friendly. So don't follow after me. But yeah, when you use a fresh one, it just comes out better. But look how smooth it looks. Using an eyebrow razor actually makes the lace more jagged and it looks like it's a more seamless look, a very yeah, I don't know what else to say. Anyways, so we're gonna part our baby hairs. This is the problematic step, y'all. Step 9. Some people just hate baby hair, some people just love baby hairs. People are gonna come for me in the comments about my baby hairs. No matter how bomb they turn out, no matter how crappy they turn out, they just gonna come for them because, you know, we live in a judgmental society and I can't make everybody happy. But if you really mess with these edges, do what I do right here. If you don't, just skip this step. I don't want to hear it in the comments. So this wig dealer, we're finally using this product. Okay, so basically I like to do it this way. This stuff is very strong, so I like to part my baby hairs first and then go in with the wig dealer spray and in between the edges and the actual hairline. So when I use the elastic band again, it melts the lace to my skin. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. This step is very imperative if you want a very seamless look. As you can see, I'm using the wax stick again just to lay back any flyaways when I add my elastic band. So we're going to add our elastic band twice. This is the second time. And then while that is melting, I'm going to go back and style my hair with this hot comb because why not? Kill two birds with one stone. Don't just sit there, you guys, because we still need to work on the actual hair. So for step 12, we are going to pluck some more because I didn't really pluck that much when it was off my wig head. I couldn't really see. Sorry for the sniffling. I'm a little sick, y'all, okay? Yo, girl just been going through it. But yeah, just pluck. As you can see, I don't know if you can, but there was some white residue. The wig dealer is very strong, so be careful. I used a makeup wipe to just wipe that away and it just disappeared. So use a makeup wipe if anything, if you have any white residue. But make sure each step, everything is dry before the next step so it won't be worse, if that makes sense. So we're gonna unbraid my edges, y'all. We're gonna comb it out, use a makeup wipe if you see any white residue. Pluck it out, make it thin, and use a hot comb to press it down. You're gonna see me do all that. Take your time. That's just the moral of this whole tutorial, is taking your time. Thin out everything. I watched like 5011 wig application videos before doing this. So don't just watch mine, watch someone else's, especially like the real stylist, because your girl ain't a real stylist. So step 14, y'all, get that eyebrow razor and start cutting your edges. At first, I cut them like very medium size, but later on, I actually cut them shorter. I had a really big or get some mousse, but let me tell you this story, y'all. I had a big problem shaping these edges, y'all. It took me maybe an hour or two just on the edges by itself. So I might be speeding this up and you might be thinking, man, you just do these edges so good and fast. No, I didn't. I spent like the whole day doing this, just back and forth brushing, just back and forth brushing my scalp. Y'all, this took forever to do, because I really wanted them to turn out really good. Cause people be coming for my edges, and I know my edges ain't that great, but I think these came out perfect. And if people don't like them, well, that they just hating, clearly, cause yo sis was looking real good. I was feeling myself. I was taking pictures, just feeling like I just got my hair done by a hairstylist celebrity or a celebrity hairstylist. Okay, so anyways, I took forever on these edges. I ended up cutting them very, very short and then swooping them. I just had trouble on the middle of my head. The side edges are easy. It's just the forehead edges like kind of get to me. It's kind of intimidating. So step 15, after you're done shaping your edges, get some wrapping paper wraps and wrap them up. I like to use the She products because the She products just, are really bomb on this hair. As you can see, I'm using hairspray as well. I have everything linked down below because I had a hard time just showing y'all the products, it seemed like. I got these $40 curling iron attachments. These curling iron is so bomb to me for it to be only $40. But anyways, I curl away from my hair. I like to curl my hair before I trim it. So I'm going to show you how I cut layers into it. I didn't do a perfect job with this one, but with other hair that's not as silky as this one, like the layering comes out super bomb. So I'm removing my wraps, my hair wraps, and look at how bomb my edges turned out. Like, look at that. My edges look bomb. So I got getting the Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray and your edge control brush, spray the bristles, get the comb out your edges, and then go back with the brush side and just swoop it together. Just make it look very natural and fluffy. You don't want no crispy edges. The only thing I like crispy is my bacon. We don't want no crispy edges out here, y'all. But anyways, these edges came out so pretty. Like, if anyone's hating on my edges, you're just a hater. Like, we don't like those over here. So you can just leave. Because your girl did that. What did she do? She did that. Okay? Hair is looking fleeked up. So I just like to comb out my curls or whatever. This hair is very, very silky. So the curls didn't come out how I wanted to. But it's okay. Trial and error, y'all. Everything can't be so perfect. I know how y'all think I'm just supposed to be perfect, but I'm not. Why is this like a diss video? Anyways, so yeah, I just like to use an eyebrow razor and just layer the top part off to create those bangs, to create a layered look so it could just fall bomb, have those little swoops on the side, you know what I'm trying to say, y'all. A lot of you requested this tutorial, so I hope this came out good and you guys understood and I explained it perfectly. But yeah, I have another one maybe if this didn't help. But this is just an updated version of how I apply my wigs, because I felt like the way I apply my wigs now is very professional and very like salon quality. So yeah, just get that concealer if you want. It's a very optional for step 21. And that's basically it, y'all. I'm so proud of how this came out. I'm sorry for like, the late upload. I love you guys so much. And yeah.
So you guys, that's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate those that interacted with my Instagram and told me what they would like to see on my channel. If you are interested in more or have any video ideas for me, don't forget to comment that down below for the month of November, because it's coming up, and then Christmas is coming up too, and I'm thinking about doing Vlogmas. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Call it, blow back, call it.